Okay, so today we're gonna have a cooking vlog with my wife. So I'm gonna ask her some question, how she likes cooking, where did she learn cooking from, and stuff like that. So let's go check her out and see what she's up to right now. Okay, so guys, here she is. Say hi, baby.
Oh, hi!
Welcome to the vlog, guys. Okay, what are you guys doing here? Or what are you doing here?
I'm cooking, of course. This, I have tomato, mushrooms, and
That's
spinach.
nice.
Yeah.
What else do you got?
So I have a soy sauce.
What's this
and
one?
It's a pepper.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, so
Okay, let me put this down on the
and
table
of course,
so we can.
sorry, I forgot
Yeah.
to tell you, I have
What
the
is it?
main ingredient here. So the beef. Yes.
So what are we trying to cook right now?
I don't know what you call this one, but I got this recipe from my sister back home in the Philippines. So
That's nice.
Yeah.
Okay, let me just put this down, put down the camera, and then we'll talk about it more. Okay.
yes.
So.
Okay.
She said she's not ready, so give her some time, guys. Hey guys, today I'm gonna ask my wife things about cookings because
Yes.
I don't really cook, so I don't know anything about cooking. That's why I'm here today to ask her questions. Okay, so
Okay.
what are we doing right now?
Of course, I'm cooking.
Well, what are we cooking?
Well, I don't know what you call this recipe because this one is passed on to me by my sister.
Really?
Yeah. But the main ingredient for this recipe is this one here.
What is that?
It's beef. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, do you like cooking?
Yes, I do.
Why do you like cooking?
For you to have something to eat, guys. And of course, it's healthier when you cook at home. And
Save a lot of money.
it saves a lot of money, of course.
Well, that's the key, guys. If you want to save a lot of money, then stay home, cook your own meal. Don't go to the restaurant that much because you're gonna be losing a lot of money if you do so.
Yes.
So I've been asking my wife to have her own cooking channel on YouTube, and I guess we didn't really have the time to do it so. But today, since we are quarantined and we can't go out that much, we are going to try finally after how many years we've been talking about this, yeah, we're gonna try it today and see what happened. So how did you learn how to cook? I mean, did you learn that back home, back in the Philippines with your family, when you were staying there, when you were there?
Yeah. So my mom taught me how to cook. Yeah, because I have to learn all this stuff before going to college.
Well, I guess college is, you're on your own when you go there. So
Yeah.
well, that's good. So all right, show me how to cook.
Okay, for sure. Let's go.
that's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching that video. Comment below if you like my wife to have her cooking channel on YouTube. And yeah, I can't wait to eat this food right here. Is there anything you want to say?
Thank you for watching, guys. That's it.